Welcome to a video of the Parts channel. Well, answering a question that you have left me. Let's see, what oil would you recommend to add to my vehicle? Well, the best oil for your vehicle is the oil that dictates the manufacturer, the one that comes in the maintenance book. Another thing is that I'd tell you, you have to add this oil, with this certain viscosity and in addition to this brand, the brand, and that is another story. Okay, that it is another story. But yes, we would have to respect the degree of viscosity. Here for example, you see that it says 5W30, which comes in the cap. As I say, this is brought by an engine oil filler cap. The 5 on the left is the degree of viscosity of this oil, being subjected to 0 degrees of temperature. That is why we have the W, winter, and then we have 30, which is the degree of viscosity of this oil being at 100 degrees of temperature, 100 degrees Celsius. I always say that it is a quality oil, be it a brand or from another brand, but always add a quality oil. Sometimes you have to tell me, my vehicle already has a few kilometers and well, it consumes some oil, and they have told me that if I raise the viscosity degree while hot, for example 30 to 40, will consume somewhat less. Indeed, the vehicle will consume something less, but also to see if consume oil, where it consumes, because it might have a loss at a meeting in a seal in the gas recirculation filter. Well, okay, you have to see where that oil is consuming, because the normal thing is over time, with wear, for example, of the piston rings. Well, if it burns in the combustion chamber, they wear out, because it is oil that is used to lubricate between the cylinder and the piston, because that oil, in the end, ends up inside the combustion chamber. If you add an oil more viscous, then it will cost more to reach the combustion chamber, it will hold longer in the wall, then it will burn it more slowly, then it can consume a little less. Okay, but I insist, the best oil is the one indicated by the manufacturer. Well, here you have the video. If it has been useful, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.